If you are constantly tossing, turning, or waking up with a stiff neck, your pillow is probably failing you. Most standard pillows are either way too soft or painfully firm, leaving your spine totally misaligned all night. That is where the DreamyBlue Signature Adjustable Memory Foam Pillow changes the game. Unlike traditional pillows, this one is packed with premium shredded memory foam that you can actually add or remove. That means whether you sleep on your side, back, or stomach, you can customize the exact height and firmness your body needs for perfect spinal alignment. Plus, it features a breathable, cool-to-the-touch bamboo cover that keeps you sweat-free until morning. It gives you custom, luxury neck support without the custom price tag. Stop sacrificing your sleep quality. Grab yours today at a discount by clicking the direct Amazon link in the video description below and start waking up completely pain-free.